Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is another day to go camping. Let's get to it. Are you really opening it now and eating the pickle?
You didn't wash your hands, you dirty You soiled it.
Soiled it.
Soiled it.
How's the hammock?
Oh, this is glamping.
This is glamping. It's kind of nice.
Oh my god.
You didn't dry it?
That's wet?
Yeah. Yo, this is so wet still.
Great. Great.
It's great.
Lovely. Lovely.
Dude, I want a pizza. What is it?
The papadilla.
What the heck is a papadilla?
Papadilla.
Is that the same thing as a pizza? Ah.
No, it's sand. Relax, it's a breakfast. How about you just hand me one? Oh. It's one of these. Alright.
Yeah.
I guess I'll just start eating first.
I don't know if I'm gonna need a whole half. Maybe like.
No, I mean you're gonna get full. No, just take half.
It's pretty good.
It's good, right? This. I'll take this. The greatest invention of pizza.
This is not a pizza.
If you unfold it, it's a pizza. That's a pizza.
It is a pizza.
That's a pizza, bro.
Dude, it's really good.
I fucks with it.
When should we start cooking? I don't know, honestly.
I mean, it's
Only 3:15.
It takes like 2 seconds with our...
Okay, would it take 2 seconds? No, we're a little special though.
Yeah, we are a little special, dude.
It might take us at least 2 hours.
Definitely gonna take us like an hour.
brought the stove.
You said like 30 minutes, and I was like, no. They said their work is like really going down because nowadays like it's really easy. You know how like the flippers do it? The whole thing. You know the thing that they have the sign.
Why do you have a sign, sir? Why do you have a sign?
Go get shorts on.
What is that?
Don't worry about that. Hey!
47% savings. Damn. What is this? Oh, this is actually a really good one.
I don't know. All I saw was sleeping pad. I was like, I need this. I don't know, but you have to blow with your mouth though.
No, you don't have to.
Huh?
Yeah, let's go set up.
All right. I'm pretty sure you have to blow with your mouth.
I have a pump.
A pump?
No. He wants to blow with his mouth.
Oh, I don't know. Oh, so I should buy a pump now for this stupid shit.
No,
I have a pump and Brian has a pump.
No, but like, sorry, no.
What the crap are you doing in front of the camera? Just casually, just like,
Damn, it's dirty in here. Oh, it's pretty long.
Putting in your bed, man.
We're making a home video. Like, what's up? Wow, that'd be more dramatic, but I guess that's it. Looks like a floaty, but who cares? I guess $50 for a floaty, but whatever. Oh, there's a.
What?
Oh, I didn't realize you could see.
What is that? Yo, it's a dead spider in here.
I'm getting comfortable.
I'm getting comfortable.
I don't feel so good. Oh, the spider fell.
What?
Oh wait, yeah, that's a spider.
Why is spook? It's just spider.
Joke's on you. It's Spider-Man spider.
Where is it? Oh, it's over there.
Oh, the toilet. No, they get the toilet paper. Get the toilet paper. Yeah. You gonna single ply me, bitch? This guy was gonna single ply me.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Oh yeah, this is so comfy. Ooh, tired. Yes, he got corn. See? Dude, that's so funny. Yo, they were about to buy corn at Acme and I was like, no corn. And they were like, okay. Did you buy aluminum foil?
Nope. I forgot.
Royce's soul died.
Dang.
What the hell? What is
Mangoes?
that? Mangoes. You want lime? I brought lime.
Nah, I'm good.
You want lime?
I'm a person.
If I didn't have to worry about bugs, I would 100% sleep with that.
Yeah, no, I agree.
Why you gotta worry about bugs? You're invincible right now. Bro, I ain't being touched.
Yeah, no, I haven't actually seen bugs.
Yeah, like actually, like I literally saw a mosquito land on me and fly away.
I'm telling you, it's a thermosol.
I also sprayed all our equipment.
Nah, I think it's the coconut. No, it's the coconut. It's the coconut.
Nah, it's the coconut. You have bug spray? Do you want?
you.
Sure.
Yeah, it's you have your choice.
Comes in the form of a coconut lotion.
Definitely clipping that out. And take 72. We're gonna have the smoothest skin by the end of this.
Like a.
Oh, George, there's
that what it's called?
for you.
I got tacos too.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should eat both.
Yo, give me a lime, bro.
Give me a lime.
Oh yeah, give me a lime, bro.
What?
Well, it's already cut.
Well, if you.
I don't want you to do more work.
Oh, you're thinking about me, definitely.
I am.
Oh.
I don't want to cut it either. Toss it in, okay.
There's stuff in there. Oh, you gonna drink the rest?
Yeah, I'll drink the rest. There's nothing here.
You don't feel that?
Because I was catching Pokemon, I was like, alright, bet. And then I was like, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
I was like, why are you handing it back? Oh, yeah, I'll hand it to you.
Baited.
You don't have a cup?
No, I don't have. I only have this water bottle.
What about that collapsible cup?
Shut the f. We don't even know if that's leak proof, bro. We should test that.
Test it out.
Yeah, we should test that, bro. A leak test. The collapsible shot glass.
Yo, it smells like papadilla in my car.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it works.
It works. What up?
Leak test.
Dude, collapse it now.
Collapse. Yo, ain't no way you're gonna collapse.
Sure.
Oh.
Nah. Now what?
Drink it. Pour one out for the boys.
Pour one out for the boys. Drink it with the chopstick.
Metal.
Oh.
Oh God. Well, now what do I do with this?
Actually, do you even want this?
Well, what is
No, you should try stuff. No, you're eating the other half.
It's not even that. It's like a folded thin crust.
Yeah,
Yeah,
pizza.
yeah. Actually,
I said it was a pizza.
He was saying that before, yeah.
You guys go to DiGiorno this time?
DiGiorno, no. Your pizza. He was saying that we could cook the pizza. Someone was saying we could cook the pizza on top of the fire. I was like, yeah, with what? Like a whole burnt bottom? Just like last time. That was over there, right?
That was when I broke my drone.
Can we look at that river now?
Go for it. It's right there.
Say less.
All right, on an adventure. Lots of stuff, just chilling. Let's go on an adventure. Dude, there's a lot of people here.
Yeah, I think it's because it's really nice weather out.
Okay, so we found a path. Is this the path to the river? I'm not gonna lie, this looks pretty shady. Dude, this is definitely a body right here.
Huh?
I'm just kidding. It's right here.
Oh, we can definitely fish that.
What the? No, you cannot fish that.
Definitely fish that, bro.
I really don't think so. Yeah, you want to fish in this swamp?
Yeah, bro. Fresh fish or what?
Fresh fish or what? Yeah, you're right. How's I think on that? You brought your cup with you?
Yeah, bro. Always strapped.
What is that?
Always strapped. Like, comment, subscribe. Always strapped.
Oh my God.
Jen, you want to go wheeling?
Already? I mean, not already, but with only one vehicle?
Can't be that bad.
Can't be that bad, he says. I'm sure. Yes. What are you doing?
We're gonna go wheeling.
Oh. Onwards and upwards. We're going wheelie, boys.
Take a shot.
Onwards and upwards, boys. Godspeed.
Beekeeper.
Shut up. Shut up.
Shit.
Oh God. No.
Really do a
Why?
good job.
Yep.
All this?
This side is definitely not flat for sure.
We're going over there, bro. Yeah. I didn't know they make flying
I'm definitely gonna hit my head on this. I know it. What's that smell?
Sorry.
Actually?
That's a turtle, dude. Wait.
Yo!
Wait.
There's a turtle!
Wait. Hold on.
Back that shit up.
Fucking huge turtle.
I thought it was a pile of crap, and then it started moving. I was like, wait a minute. Wait, be careful though.
Damn, you big. You're gonna move the turtle?
No. Don't touch it. You'll get salmonella and you'll die. Yo, stop!
That's what I said.
That's a huge turtle, bro.
I feel like you should get off the path.
Guy knows where it's going.
Yeah.
Come on. It's not like it's lost.
Yo, watch it come back and it's smashed. That's on you, champ.
Turtle soup!
That's definitely on you. Oh, God. I'm gonna have scoliosis by the end of this ride.
Swamp Road.
For sure. I'm gonna...
So.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna have to check that one. Holy
But I'm gonna go check with them.
Just went through that. That was interesting.
How's the mud guard back there?
Very full of mud.
That's really deep.
That is deep. Oh, that was fun. Look at all that character.
Doesn't it get deeper from here?
No,
We'll see.
I've never been on this road, so I can't tell you.
Wait,
This place seems really familiar to me. I'm pretty sure this is where I got stuck with my Jeep, Brian.
Okay.
It's all you, man. It's all you, man. I'm pretty sure this is where Julie and I got stuck with my Jeep, by the way.
Oh, he's doing this?
risk management.
Oh my God.
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
GoPro check.
Ow, my head.
You put on your seatbelt!
Oh. Ow. Ow. That was crazy. On to the next one. Yeah, yep, safety first. My head hurts. Oh. You're doing this on purpose, aren't you? Oh my God.
No. We're gonna check it. We're gonna check it. It's pulling up a little closer.
Okay.
There's a bypass right there.
I was just saying, you started walking up to it like you're about to.
Yeah, so I was like, yo, dude, seriously, man. I don't want to walk while I'm.
It's a little wet.
Yeah, it looks a little wet, right?
Just a tad. Oh, it looks fine.
Sunk right in. Sunk right in. Dude, I put no effort into that.
Ow, jeez, man. Bump.
Oh, there it goes.
Really?
Yep.
Like, fell?
Yep.
Yeah,
I
heard
see it.
Good luck. This
Good
thing
luck
got
getting signal.
destroyed. It's got really muddy, this GoPro. Use your gear. How bad is the dough?
That's character.
That is character for sure. Holy. Dude, someone keyed your car.
Yeah, at this point, you wouldn't even be able to tell.
I keep my car.
You keyed your own car. Oh. We're back. Well, that was fun. Good job, Brian.
Thanks.
Yeah, thanks. Good job, Brian. Good job. Good job.
Thanks. That's fine.
It's time to cook.
It's time to cook. A wise choice.
How are you gonna oil this?
With oil.
With oil.
Yeah, I'm gonna boil
You have
mine.
oil?
You didn't bring oil?
We're gonna buy oil. I don't know if I have oil.
Use pickle juice.
Use the tomato sauce.
So you're boiling it in tomato sauce. Is that not what you're doing? Is that not what's going on?
I have marshmallow.
That's a good oil.
On the menu tonight, meatballs.
A la these?
Nipples?
No.
Meatballs.
A la these.
Meatballs.
I like these
balls in your mouth.
I like how everybody has Crocs, but Brian over there has like budget-ass Crocs.
Huh?
Budget-ass Crocs.
Oh yeah. From Burlington, bro. Gotta respect it. So if we do go to Walmart, I think we need one more gallon of water, and then we'll get the breakfast stuff.
Yeah, Royce.
Listen, bro. I don't care if we get it. Like, it don't matter to me. But apparently, they're already set on it. Hello.
That's a lot of meatballs, bro.
Don't we have, how many meatballs do we have?
No, I'm saying.
A lot more.
I'm just saying, like, are you gonna eat one per, not like a sandwich, but like a freaking slider?
I'm not sure if you know this. Oh, we bought a lot of meatballs.
No, I'm saying like the way he's eating it.
Oh. Dude, there's no way that's not gonna work, bro. There's no way you're gonna be able to stack like
That's
5
what I'm
or
saying.
6
So
meatballs.
is he gonna eat like this, or just like?
My bad.
He'll do whatever he damn pleases.
Just like slide the meatballs off the bread into your mouth.
Hey, pig. Oh, the big dog.
Phoenix. You want a pickle, Jacqueline? We have a lot.
Sure.
Pickle. What?
You just put on the ground before?
This is I think this is a solid A minus.
Thank you.
Well, no, I'm talking about the food choice.
Look,
like,
man.
compared to our pizza, which was a
Brian,
D.
keep
You wanna
him
eat
away
this
from the
frozen?
tripod.
Pizza? You want to eat this frozen? Whoa. Hi, Phoenix. Hold two? Oh, you didn't eat it? Thank you. I didn't eat it.
Oh, really good.
No cheese? All right.
Yo. do you want to die tonight or?
Did that on purpose.
You want a plate first?
Yeah.
Meatballs?
Oh yeah, that looks
We'll do a new setup. It's not really meat.
Come on.
Hey, boy.
Phoenix Pong? Phoenix Pong?
Sit.
Yo, my skin is so smooth. It's crazy. Dude, like I'm feeling my arms. I'm like, what the? Why is it so smooth?
Good job.
I guess I'll go to Walmart then. George, you want to come? Sure. Yeah? Anyone else want to go? Bye, Royce.
Okay. Okay. Bro, I really could not care if you went. Like, if you want to stay, it's fine. I'm just like hopping on the Brian bandwagon. Oh, Royce can go.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right. This is at 13%. Gotta change my battery.
If you're feeling like a pimp.
We're finally here. All right. Just took a small potty break from this campground. We're here in Walmart. Can't really find where George and Brian are, but we're on a search, so let's try and find them. Brian? What the? Wow, I actually can't believe I just found you that fast.
Look at this fishing rod.
Why are you buying a fishing rod, Art?
I'm down to go fishing tomorrow.
Why are you getting this here? What the?
Get DiGiorno's.
DiGiorno. No, not again.
You guys get everything?
Oh, what's up, George? You just came out of freaking left field. Dude, this Walmart is scuffed, bro.
Yeah, I don't tell you.
What are you guys recording? Like a vlog?
Yeah, pretty much just camping.
YouTube?
Yeah.
What do you do? Like just
I do commercials, vlogs, all that other jazz.
cool.
Bunch of stuff.
You got Instagram?
Yeah.
What's the Instagram called?
You should follow him.
Underscore Royce Lee.
Royce Lee?
Yeah, underscore Royce Lee. Ready? Let's go.
Good?
Take it easy, guys.
Bye.
That was a very interesting, like, interaction. You definitely meet a lot of people around the world, huh? Mm-hmm. Dude, through the camera, this looks actually really scary.
What happens if I like?
Oh, hell nah, hell nah. This is a scary movie type of deal. That no. Turn the shit back on.
It's actually really scary. Like,
No. Can you turn back the lights, please? Oh, let me live.
good pooping sesh.
Good pooping sesh.
Yeah.
Back to the campsite we go. Ooh, it's getting chilly.
You freeze them. Definitely.
How do you use this Jiffy Pop?
Nothing. You just put all this over the fire.
Wait, what?
You don't need to take off anything. You just put it over the fire.
Really?
Yeah.
Does it just open and pop on its own?
It's not gonna open, but it's just gonna pop inside like a bag.
Are you sure, bro? I'm pretty sure you have to open this.
Oh yeah. You open this part. Yeah. My bad.
Brother.
My bad.
You have to open this. I was like, there's
Yeah, I said that.
no chance. What you did not say that.
I definitely said that.
I'll say, I caught this on 4K. I'll tell you if he said that or not.
Oh. This burn. No. It smells like all black smoke.
Are you gonna salvage that?
No, I'm gonna let it cool off.
The bottom is just all black. It was like what, $2, $3?
How do we mess that up?
It says in the directions already.
Sure.
Don't use an uneven flame.
No, one of us is about to have it.
Another morning.
Another morning.
Another morning.
What's up, guys?
What's going on? Okay, that's gotta be elevated. It's gotta be elevated? Yeah.
Like on top of that.
Probably freaking right on top, bro.
For real? Yeah.
Well, that was eventful.
Not gonna lie, the student pad does matter. I slept a little bit better.
Yeah, maybe it's because it isolates you from the hard ass ground.
Basically all broken down. It's time to leave. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Catch the next one. Take it easy. Peace.
Yo, that bird just ate that ant.